Welcome viewers. Today I am visiting a public high school in Punjab where Punjab Culture Day is going to be celebrated. First of all, this Culture Day is going to be started with the recitation of the Holy Quran. A student of 10th class, Muhammad Hamza, reciting the verses of Holy Quran. Then a speech in Punjabi language was made by a Christian student, Sohail Masih. After that, a student of 6th class performed a funny song in Punjabi. Then a tableau show was presented by different classes of the school on Punjabi culture and on the old peer culture of this region. After this event, typical Punjabi poetry competition was held, which is called Punjabi Mushaira, which amused the audience very much. Then the honorable head of high school, Muhammad Murtaza, made a speech with amazing ending.
ਨਵੇਂ ਕੰਮ ਇਸ ਸਕਾਫਤ ਦੇ ਹਵਾਲੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਬੜੀ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਔਰ ਬੜੀ ਜ਼ਾਨਤ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਿਆ.
In the end of this Culture Day program, one of the best tradition folk dance, Jhumar, was performed by the student of this school, which was outstanding. Let's listen it. Dear viewers, I hope you would have enjoyed this vlog. So please keep watching our YouTube channel. Till next, it's goodbye.